Okay, just took out this mechanical fuel pump on a 1988 Toyota Corolla. Alright guys, there you go. Hope this helps you out.